Today I'm going to make a chicken devil by using chicken drumstick. I have taken onions, capsicum, tomato, corn flour, ginger, garlic, lemongrass, green chilies, pandan leaves, curry leaves, cloves, cinnamon and cardamom. Now I'm going to boil the chicken by adding some salt in a pressure cooker. Now crush the ginger, garlic, lemongrass, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon. Now separate the chicken stock and add the corn flour into it. Now I'm going to make a sauce by adding soy sauce, tomato sauce and some amount of oyster sauce, chili flakes, chili powder, salt, sugar, black pepper. Now I'm going to fry the boiled chicken drums. Okay, now the chicken drums are well fried. Put some oil into pan and add the ground things and curry leaves, pandan leaves and the fried chicken and add the chicken stock. Now add the sauce we made. Then onions, capsicum and add the tomato and add some salt to your taste. Now the chicken devil is ready.